Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam lighted chandelier Christmas tree. So what you're going to need, you are going to need some of this clear room divider chain, and this is from EFavormart. You'll also need some of this white iridescent glitter. This is also from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a mini vase, and I'm going to be using a square vase, but you could really use any shape you like. You're going to need either a taper candle holder or perhaps a pedestal style Tealight holder. And you're going to need one of these foam brushes from Dollar Tree. And then I have some tacky glue as well. From Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. And when you remove all of the gemstones, there's this little plastic sheet here. I have saved a scrap of that I'll be using on the project as well. And I've got some fairy lights here. I picked these fairy lights up at Walgreens, and they're just a strand of the multicolor. I thought that color might be fun for Christmas. But you could certainly use clear. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam chandelier Christmas tree turn out absolutely beautifully? And this is so easy to make. Now you can use, to light this, you could use some clear white fairy lights if you'd like to do that. I'm going to be using some multicolored fairy lights this time, just for a little bit of color. But you certainly don't have to add color to yours. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.